what's up, GT gang? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mojo, and you guys actually, a lot of you might be new subscribers, so welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel, I should say. And here's Myrtle. We're hanging out, and I hope you guys like that intro with the burnout. That was about a week before I started taking apart. Yeah, FYI, old subscribers. I started tearing the charger apart, and if you don't follow me on TikTok, you wouldn't even know that. So that's what's really crazy. So follow me on TikTok. It will be in the description below. And let's get right into this video. I'm unboxing just a bunch of parts. So, and we're racing in Mexico. It's in Mexico, I promise. So I guess I'll see you guys at the end.
Yeah.
Hey, back. On the light. Windows up, boys. All right, we're good. Okay, so Dan beat me. So he's racing the winner of the last race, which is Dylan. Any words of wisdom? So if you win this, just know you've beaten 2 stock Mopars.
Yeah.
So
yeah, but this is my car's not stock.
That's what I'm saying. So we'll keep that in mind.
If my car was stock, you guys would probably beat me.
So we got Dylan right here. You guys, you're gonna do another burnout, I'm assuming.
I'm not gonna do it.
Okay. All right, Dakota, come on. Come here, buddy. Okay. All right, so Dylan's got line lock. He's trying to figure it out. One wheel, one wheel, one wheel. Yep, left wheel. Right wheel wasn't moving at all.
Really? Fuck it, we're just going.
All right.
I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna have to figure it out.
All right, man. All right, who's got light? Tyler, you got light? Okay, hey. Where Brandon's at? Brandon and Brandon?
Yeah.
That's the finish line.
So go past that.
So, yep, drive through it, and you don't have to stomp on your brakes or anything. If you got plenty of room to just let it idle out and just cruise out. I feather my brakes, but whatever, man. Dakota, come here. Come here. G8. Built G8, stock 5.7. Well, that's over. I got that shit. I know. That was a really good burnout. That was a really good burnout. I'm officially gone.
Did him right.
Holy
Hey, you
shit.
forgot something. You're tired.
All right.
He gone.
So much to do this. Look at that fucking kick on.
His tires are gone.
So I'm actually going to start unboxing parts that I received to do the cam job that I'm doing. So I'm doing actually a lot more than that. But if you want to stay up to date with that, check out my TikTok. It'll be in the description, or it's just Morrison Dersham. And yeah, the next video will be content on that. But yeah, just stay tuned for it. And if you want to watch what I'm doing exactly like to this day, I'll just check the TikTok out and follow. It has just over 6,000 followers on there. So it's a little bit more than I have on YouTube. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And this is my packing slip. I paid $551 after tax and shipping for this kit. So the 6.1 premium kit comes with 1511 PSI spring, 1.7, you know, this is the installed height, 1.785 to 1.805 inches, 8 intake locators at 1.38. You can read this, you know. Got the chromoly retainers. It's good stuff. Be sure to wipe oil from guide. Be sure the seals pushed until completely bottomed. Okay. 16 seals are also recommended if heads are off, and choose to have guides machined. Okay. So that's pretty cool of them to do. I have my seals here with the locators, it looks like. I'll pull these all out. Sorry, I only got one hand. So here are, okay. Okay, so there's two different, that's sick. So 2 different seals here, 0.530 and 0.500. So we'll take these out. This is out of Ziploc bags, so this is definitely packaged by hand. So I wonder what's in here. Yeah, I wonder what these are. Okay, these are the shims to go on the bottom of the valve spring, intake exhaust. That's pretty sick, all labeled nicely. Throw this box on the ground. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me, everybody. As you can see, I'm cutting this tape for the first time. So, this is the good stuff right here. Wow. Look at these bad boys. These things are beefy. Like my hand next to it. So I'm excited for these. I don't see, they don't come with keepers. That's okay. Maybe I just misinterpreted what I bought, I guess. I don't know. Well, I'll have to look more into this and get on to the next box. Okay, so this next box is from Mally. I just cut it open, didn't open it or anything. So make it easier for me to do this with one hand. So I think these are my head bolts. So we'll see. Yep, looks like that's what it is. Let's cut these open. Cylinder head bolts, yes sir. Cut these open quick. I'm using, minus my headers, I use great brands on everything. I went with a, hold on, let me get these out quick. These bad boys are beefy, okay? So, got those, and this is only for one head per box. There's some directions, I don't need that. Whatever this is, must be the part number. So, I did not get a sticker from Mally, so keep that in mind, boys. If you guys like stickers, you can spend $50 and not get a sticker, so on to the next box. Okay, so to be honest, I don't even know what this box is. Obviously, again, I just opened it, so it'd make it easier to do this with one hand. So I guess you and I will both see what this is. Oh, snap. Okay, this is the real deal here. This is all my OEM parts. Is this exhaust gasket? says gasket right there. I think. Oh, this is sick. Here is another gasket, water pump gasket, I think. What is that? Oh, that's a timing gasket. This is the water pump gasket. This is my front main seal. Oh, dude, this is so sick. I totally forgot that I ordered all these OEM parts. See what we got in here. This is just awesome. OEM is just mint. Okay, so I'm gonna open these up and get back. Okay, so this is my timing set. I do not want to open this up because it's all wrapped nice and neat. So I will close this up, set this down, and get to the next box, which is, I'm 90% sure, is my my water pump. So I'm gonna open this up. Check it out. Here's the water pump. Brand new OEM, baby. You cannot go wrong with this. I'm so excited. And that is it for this box. So this will go off to the side. And let's see. I know what's in the next one. These are my my headers. So open this up, and it looks like this box got a little damage. So I'll go ahead and get these on the floor and open them. Okay, guys, this is sick. This stuff is so nice. Stainless steel. Good thing I bought OEM gaskets because these came in and they were bent, as you can see. Basically garbage. So OEM gaskets or nothing. I might even just still use this hardware. I don't think it's stainless, but I'm not sure. We'll see what we get. But all these welds look really, really nice. I look through the inside and I don't see any holes. So it's just a matter of how nicely this bolts up to the heads. But honestly, guys, I'm really impressed. I know I said that on my last down pipe that I got for really cheap, but for a set of long tube headers for 170 bucks, at the end of the day, guys, this is metal. And at some point, I got a little dent right there, but at some point, you're being overcharged, and at some point, it's just a brand. So I'm willing to spend $170 and test this, because if these are quality, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to tell you that they're quality, and you don't have to spend $700 on the same exact thing if this works, and you're gaining 15 horsepower just off of 170 bucks. That's just ridiculous to do. So that's the parts that I got today. I might even get some in the mail. I'm not sure. So this is what I got today. I'm gonna put them in the parts room and wait until I get everything else. Okay, so obviously I haven't looked at this. Yep, it's exactly what I thought it was. Nice. OEM head gaskets. Can't go wrong with these. These are huge. So I'm gonna leave them in this box so I don't get damaged. But I'm excited. Go ahead and put this in the parts room and wait for more parts to come. Okay, everybody. So I think this is my. Oh yeah, I guess it is 95 millimeter. 95 millimeter throttle body. Here's some hardware. Socket head. Like to see that. Ooh, nice. It comes with a gasket. That's what's up. Holy crap. This is absolutely massive. Wow. That's crazy. Really nothing about it besides it's big, so it's black CNC aluminum, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna wrap it up, put it back in the parts room. So I had another part come in, made in push rods. These are 3/8 as opposed to 5/16 push rods here. And try not to move them around a bunch just because I don't want to nick them or anything. So that's what they look like. They're a 3-piece. So I'm super excited with that. Let's wrap them up and put them back. So thank you guys again for coming and watching this video, especially if you made it this far. It's kind of a long video, but I wanted to capture everything that I got so far. I also got my my Mopar Performance Hellcat lifters in today. They're over there, I'm looking at them. And I got an intake manifold I'll show you guys in the next video, so stay tuned for that. If you came from TikTok, thank you so much. You came all the way from TikTok to here to watch my stuff. It means you really want to see the build or see me fail. Either way, thank you for coming. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Go follow the TikTok and support the build. Thank you guys so much.